Planning to visit London in 2025? This is your ultimate tourist guide with 15 of the most visited and iconic places ranked by popularity. 1. The British Museum, home to world-renowned artifacts like the Rosetta Stone, the Elgin, Parthenon sculptures, and extensive collections of Egyptian mummies and Roman glassware. With treasures from ancient Egypt, Greece, and beyond, and totally free entry, the British Museum is London's #1 tourist magnet. 2. Buckingham Palace, home to King Charles III and the heart of royal London. Whether or not you catch a royal wave, the changing of the guard is a must-see tradition for every tourist. 3. Big Ben and Houses of Parliament, the most photographed landmark in the city. Stand by the Elizabeth Tower and hear Big Ben's legendary chimes echo along the Thames. 4. Westminster Abbey, a Gothic masterpiece and the site of British coronations and royal weddings. Step inside history where monarchs have walked for nearly 1,000 years. 5. The London Eye. Europe's tallest observation wheel gives you a 360-degree view of London's skyline. Perfect for first-timers, families, and romantic travelers. 6. Tower of London, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's equal parts castle, prison, and legend. Meet the crown jewels and hear tales of kings, traitors, and ghost stories. 7. Tower Bridge. This isn't just a bridge, it's a London icon. Take in river views from the high-level glass walkway, or just snap photos from the banks of the Thames. 8. The Shard, London's tallest skyscraper, and a luxury experience at the top. Dine or sip cocktails 72 floors up, or just admire the view. 9. Natural History Museum, perfect for families and science lovers. See dinosaurs, whales, gemstones, and volcanoes, all inside a stunning Victorian building. And yes, it's free. 10. Covent Garden, a cultural hotspot filled with street performers, boutique shops, and the Royal Opera House. Grab coffee, shop local, or just people watch. 11. Camden Market, a paradise for alternative culture. Street food from every continent, vintage jackets, live music, and punk history all collide here. 12. Hyde Park, a green escape in the heart of the city. Rent a paddle boat on the Serpentine, enjoy a picnic, or visit the Diana Memorial Fountain. 13. Notting Hill and Portobello Road, charming pastel streets, colorful markets, and classic British film vibes. You might even spot the famous Blue Door from the movie Notting Hill. 14. St. Paul's Cathedral. Climb to the Whispering Gallery inside one of the world's most stunning domes, a symbol of London's resilience and faith, especially during World War II. 15. Greenwich and Prime Meridian Line. Explore the Royal Observatory, the Cutty Sark, and enjoy sweeping views of the city from Greenwich Park. And there you have it, 15 of the most visited and loved attractions in London for 2025. Whether it's your first time or your fifth, this city always has something new to explore. Which place are you adding to your bucket list? Like this video, hit subscribe, and join Brewing Facts for more exciting travel guides and stories from around the globe.